what's going on this evening? Hey family, hey family, how y'all doing this evening? I'm coming to y'all with some baked potatoes. I put basil, I like basil, and I got some cheese in there. Yes, do. And some chicken strips with ranch dressing. Yes. Look at that potato. Look at it. Look at that. Hope we get the thumbnail. Hope y'all having a wonderful evening. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful evening. Because I am. Yes. I am. Yes. I am. I had a taste for some baked potatoes today. I took light bright to work. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to make some baked potatoes. And some chicken strips. It's good in the hood. It's so good in the hood. I put that cheese in there. That butter. Butter. Yes, I did. You know I did. Yes, I did. You know I did. And it's fine. Some quick and simple and tasty. Oh. I was talking to my brother. He was like, you put bacon bits, stuff in them. Too goddamn old, had hiccups. Yeah. I was saying I just had the hiccup. This potato is good. And I got me some orange soda. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Woo. Ooh, that acid, when it hits, it hits. I mean, it be right here. When it come up, it feels so good. So good. Boy. You know how old songs come to your head? Remember LL? When I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the walls, and in the back of my mind, I hear my conference call. Telling me I need a girl who sweet as a dove. I know y'all remember that. Yes. Those was the days when the young men first started wearing the big old chains and the Kango hats and some jogging suits. Everybody wanted to be LL. Yes, they did. He was so smooth. So smooth. This potato is good. Good. I'm a little full already. I was been eating before I took light break to work. I had some Arby's sliders. I should have shared that with you. They was good. They buffalo. I had the buffalo slider, the roast beef, corned beef, and the ham. And their mozzarella sticks is good. Me and light right. Because I hadn't ate all day. And I don't know if y'all know that feeling of hunger. When you're hungry, start to get mean. Jelly bean, because ain't nothing in the stomach. It's something in there, but shit, you don't feel it. Yes. 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 Hey, Alexis. Hey, Alexis. This is my sweet baby. Y'all ain't gonna never see her. Come over here and say hi. Just say hi. She will not. I don't know what's wrong with her. How was it? Yes. And I got 2 baked potatoes. Yes, I did. I don't know why my fat butt. And I'm getting full. I forgot the guy's name. I don't want to call him no nationality because I don't know what he is. But he put away 10 Whoppers. 6 minutes and something. I said, God damn. Ain't he little as hell? He don't gain no weight. His loaded fries, a big old chunk. I'm like, my God. Where is it going? I know I'm a big girl. But God damn. I could not put away no 10 Whoppers. Damn. And he ate it like it wasn't nothing. He moving his stomach around like this. I said to myself, whew, it's stuck. Who y'all know how to be stuck? I said to myself, I wonder, where in the hell is the food going? He look like he might weigh maybe about 140. Got no stomach, no nothing. And I mean, he eats like a motherfucking racehorse. Oh my God. I mean, his fries be mound up. I mean, he had about 10,000 calories. 10,000. Some people just got a stomach for it. Now, to me, this is a lot. And my family be talking about, you put a lot on your plate. Shit. Y'all ain't seen nothing. Beloved Life, that's my girl. I love her. I love her. She was my motivation. But I watched her on Thanksgiving. Her video. How she piled up that plate. I'm like, God damn. I don't even know what who put. Might be a little heavy, but she's a little woman. Them little people can put away some food. Every single time. I love watching her. She was my inspiration. What made me want to start doing YouTube was watching her and her family. It's just so much life, just full of life. And Prissy P, I love her. I could just pinch the shit out of her jaws. If I ever seen her, I'm gonna pinch her jaws. You know how probably got some jaws you just pinch. And she's a beautiful young lady. I like her demeanor, her personality. You know, sometimes you can just tell. When you watch somebody, you can tell how they are. I hope y'all evening is going well. I feel like going to bed. I don't know why. It's like, I don't know if it's the weather or what. But it's like I ain't been getting enough sleep. I don't know what's wrong. Oh boy, I'm full. I'm probably full. Yeah, my fat butt. Ate a sliced pizza. Arby sliders. Then this. I'm putting away some food. But I ain't eating no breakfast. So that still, that's a lot. My daughter's like, Mama, don't worry about your health. She said, I got to get us a membership. You got to start going back to the health club. You know how we do it. I feel like I'm okay. I ain't gonna lie though. Yesterday my stomach, it felt like it was gonna bust. I took some goddamn gas X pills so I can relieve some of that tension off my stomach. Yes, indeedy. No piece of cheese. Cheese. Full though. I know I need to stop eating. I probably done gained another 5 pounds. I'm just feeling so good. Lately, it was like God just been got me feeling good. Nothing like having God in your life. God lets you know. He lets you know when something ain't right, something's wrong. And he gives you that inner peace that can't nobody else give you. It's just undescribable. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Genetic genes is a motherfucker. My mom and daddy is little bitty peoples. My daddy's sisters is big. That's why I took it from the big hands, the big feet, big legs, weight, everything. I asked my mother how. I took my daddy's side, his family genes. Ooh. That's it. For you burp lovers. Well, let me know what you know. Let me know down below. Comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed to the Yo Faye family. And let's get it cracking. Okay, y'all got to give me some exciting stuff to do. Because I know sometimes I be boring to y'all. Y'all got to let me know what y'all want to see me do. If y'all see me on here doing some crazy stuff, I'm trying to do some different stuff. I want to keep y'all attention. And I know sometimes y'all might get bored because I talk a lot. But I love y'all family. And I'll be seeing y'all later. Take care. Be blessed and safe.